Now that I got that all figured out, and I've got this all figured out over there, and I just worked on my stones, my brick. I just replaced this brick. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch that because it's pretty easy to do. So now I'm going to tackle this. This is my drain. This is my drain right here. Looks like it's got decomposed granite and stuff all around it. It's preventing the water from coming out of there, and I know that's connected. Well, I'm making the assumption it's connected to that downspout. I look over here in the corner. Even though the downspout's not attached to it, that pipe is probably attached right here, coming out this way. And I want to do that, so I guess I'll be able to do that. Since Mommy's not here, she's getting a massage down the street, and I've got a few more hours on my own, so I might as well get busy. What is my video about today? I better get my knee pad so I can show you. It's not going to take me too long to do this. I've just been looking at my gutter guards on the gutters to see what I have to do, and also cleaning out the gutters. Cleaning out the gutters up here. I'm going to sweep all those out so I can put gutter guard. I'm making videos of all that kind of stuff, so if you haven't watched those, make sure you look at my channel. But here's my drain. This is my drain. Wow, look at that. There's hardly any amount of water that can come out of there, and it could back up, and that goes where this downspout is here. Goes on down there. Even though the downspout's open, see, then it pours out into the drain. I know that drain, I'm making the assumption that drain zips around here and goes out there. And it's funny because it's almost at the same height. You see where the line of the stucco is on the ground, and you saw where that drain was, and line that all the way up here, and it's about the same height where this comes out. It's almost flat. That's okay. You can still have a drain line that's flat. You know. Let's get you set up over here. That's flat as long as the pipe is open and everything and not plugged up. It should still drain. And this, I think, is decomposed granite here. That's a good thing to use as ground, instead of ground cover, let's say. But it's all, looks like it's washed up this way. And I'm seeing some roots down in here too. And last thing I want is roots to grow up in there. And such. See, here's another root. I know they wouldn't have left it this way. I think it was just over years. This is all slid down into this corner. We moved in here about 1.5 years ago, and I just haven't taken the time to get everything done outside little by little. I've got to be careful here because there's a wire down here, and it's probably for my exterior lights because the lights are on a timer, and I forgot I've got to reset those because of daylight savings and stuff. Mommy wants them on earlier. I've got them set at 6:30 now. She wants them at like 4:30. I might make them 5. I don't know. We'll see. That's kind of silly how all this stuff accumulates right here in the corner. They should have cut this pipe back a little bit. That's what they should have done, I think. And then just put cobbles in this corner. And I don't know, I might cut it back. Not sure yet. I'm seeing lots of roots and stuff in this corner. My crummy screwdriver out. See, this dirt has just, or this decomposed granite has just accumulated in the end of this pipe. Look at that. That's been sitting here for years. There's roots going in there and everything. Can't even really get in there. I'd have to dig this way back in order to bend it and get it coming out better. I think what I'm going to do is take my, I got a sheetrock saw here. I can cut it off with my sheetrock saw. Maybe about here. I don't know if this is going to cut it or not. Look at that. Oh, I said I got to be careful because of the lights. The wire for the lights is down here. Got to be careful. Oh, it's over here. I'm okay. I'm okay. Look at that. Get that little section out of there. I'm not going to cut it back any further than that, but that'll give me enough, I think, in order to reach in here and clean that out. Can't imagine all that coming out of the downspout, you know. Good grief. It's still packed in there. Still a little bit. Okay. I can take my sheetrock saw and kind of use it to pull some of that stuff out of there. I don't know why that's full of dirt. Look at that. How could that rock get all the way up in there? I ask you. I don't really want to have to dig all this out. I could dig it all the way back to the downspout, pull it out, clean it out, put it back in. That's not something I'm prepared to do today. Maybe in the spring. Now see, I can push that in there. So I know I got most of it out. If yours is clogged, you could even take a snake into a plumber's snake, take it off, or run it in there and then pull it out, run a hose in there if you want. All kinds of different things you could do. But it seems to be a lot better now. There's still more in it. Isn't that something? sure I wasn't going to cut my wire. See, there's a few roots down here from that bush. 19 years this corner has been like this. Big grave. Okay, that feels better. Now instead I want to put that decomposed granite back down in there. Because I'll just have the same thing happen. I want to dig this a little deeper here in the corner, so I can put some rocks